Hello and welcome again in our CTF series. So far we have solved up to level 10. In this video, I will show you how to solve level 11. Let's log into level 11 server using username Bandit11 and recently found password. Our goal is to find flag inside data.txt where all lower and uppercase letters are rotated by 13 positions. So simple, we have to write command to rotate all letters to 13 positions. This is data.txt. Let's open the file. This is our flag, but it's encrypted. Let's rotate all characters to 13 digits. Use this command here. Use all capital and small digit. This is formula to rotate 13 digits. And that's it. We have our flag. This is the required password we need to log in for level 12. Save that password in your notepad, it will be used for next part. To solve level 12, please check out my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.